This is Omak, one of China's largest-scale manufacturers of saw chains and guide bars. Years of specialized production, representing the highest quality in the industry. Full product certifications, complete factory system accreditations. We focus on one thing only: continuously improving product quality. A full range of saw chain and guide bar models, covering every specification needed for household to professional logging. Swiss BRUDERER. Press, plus or minus 0.01 mm accuracy. Guarantees part interchangeability. German Lorenz servo strip feeder. Precise positioning, zero deviation. US National Machinery, high speed, precision cold header. Flashless cold forming, stronger rivets. Components are consistent from the very start. Fully automated assembly line, inline inspection. Defective parts automatically rejected. Assemble first, then water-cooled sharpen. No edge damage, longer sharpness retention. Vacuum heat treatment, plus minus 196 degrees Celsius, cryogenic treatment. Higher hardness and better toughness than ordinary chains. These processes represent the industry's most advanced technology. Tested in Russian extreme cold, outperforms top global brands. A clean factory builds reliable chains. We don't compete on low price. We compete on real-world longevity and efficiency. Want to test our chains? Samples are welcome. Omack. Quality first.